You see the ads everywhere. $49 AC tune-up. But here's what nobody tells you. That tune-up isn't designed to fix your AC. It's designed to sell you a new one. I've performed hundreds of these tune-ups in the field. Let me show you exactly how it works and why most of them are just the first step to a $12,000 sale. Here's what a real tune-up looks like. The tech checks amp draws on the compressor and fan motors, tests your capacitor, reads refrigerant pressures, and inspects the coils. They'll change the filter, check the thermostat, and flush the condensation drain. Most of this takes 20 to 30 minutes, and honestly, a real tune-up is valuable. Catching a failing part before it dies in July is worth every penny. The problem isn't the tune-up itself, it's what comes next. Your capacitor is reading weak. Sometimes that's real. If it's outside the manufacturer's spec range, it needs replacing. But here's the trick. They won't show you the actual number next to the actual spec. They just say weak and let your imagination do the rest. Same thing with refrigerant. You're a little low. Okay, how low? What's the spec? What's the actual reading? If they can't show you numbers, they're selling you, not diagnosing your system. Then come the photos. Close-up shots of your coils, your drain pan, rust on the furnace. Everything looks scary zoomed in. Your system could be running perfectly fine, and those photos will make it look like it's about to explode. And finally, the repair estimate. Funny how the repairs always seem to add up to just enough that a whole new system starts to make more sense. This is where it gets scripted. The tech calls their manager. Let me see what I can do for you. They come back with 3 options: good, better, best. The middle one is pre-selected because that's where the margin is. They show you a monthly payment instead of the total price. But here's the trick they don't tell you. They'll put the repair on a shorter financing term so the monthly payment looks high. Then they put the full system replacement on a longer term so that monthly payment looks low. Suddenly a $3,000 repair at $350 a month looks worse than a $16,000 system at $300 a month. Same money game, different direction. They're not comparing apples to apples. They're making the repair look like the bad deal so you buy the whole system. And the closer, we can get a crew out here today. That urgency isn't about your comfort. It's about making sure you don't get a second opinion. Look, if your system is under 10 years old and running fine, a real tune-up is worth the money. Just know the difference between a tech who's there to maintain your system and one who's there to replace it. If they show you numbers, explain what they mean, and give you time to decide, that's a good tech. If everything is urgent and they need an answer today, that's a salesman. Subscribe for more honest HVAC.